So today we will do some examples on transpose of a matrix and skew symmetric matrix. If capital A equal to 1, 2, 2, 2, 1 minus 2 and A 2 B is a matrix satisfying A into A transpose equal to 9I3, then find the value of A and B. Now it is given that A into A transpose equal to 9I3. So A into A transpose equal to 9I3. Now A 1, 2, 2, 2, 1 minus 2, A 2 B. Now A transpose 1, 2, 2, 2, 1 minus 2, A 2 B. Now it is equal to 9I3. 9I3 means 900, 090 and 009. So A multiplied by A transpose equal to 9I3. So when we multiply these two matrices, now this is equal to 1 plus 4 plus 4. Now second element 2 plus 2 minus 4. Now this is equal to A plus 4 plus 2B. Now this is equal to 2 plus 2 minus 4. It's equal to 4 plus 1 plus 4. Now this is equal to 2A plus 2 minus 2B. And this is equal to A plus 4 plus 2B. This is equal to 2A plus 2 minus 2B. And this is equal to A square plus 4 plus B square. Now this is equal to 900, 090 and 009. Now this is equal to 9, 0, A plus 2B plus 4. This is equal to 0, 9, 2A plus 2 minus 2B. Now A plus 4 plus 2B. So 2A plus 2 minus 2B and A square plus 4 plus B square. Now this is equal to 900, 090 and 009. Now when we compare these two matrices, this will be equal to A plus 2B plus 4 equal to 0. Now this is first equation. And 2A plus 2 minus 2B plus 2 equal to 0. Second equation. Now solving equation 1 and 2. Solving equation first and second. This is equal to 3A plus 6 equal to 0. So A equal to minus 2. Now A equal to minus 2. So A plus 2B plus 4 equal to 0. So A equal to minus 2 plus 2B plus 4 equal to 0. So 2B plus 2 equal to 0. So from here B equal to minus 1. Hence A equal to minus 2 and B equal to minus 1. Okay, in last lecture we have discussed about the properties of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So we will do some problems on symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. For example, if A and B are symmetric matrix, if A and B are symmetric matrix, then prove that AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. Now A and B are symmetric matrix. It means it is given that A equal to A transpose because it is a symmetric matrix and B equal to B transpose. Now we have to prove that AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. So AB minus BA, suppose transpose. So we know that AB minus BA transpose will be equal to AB transpose minus BA transpose. Now what is the AB transpose? AB transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose and BA transpose is equal to A transpose B transpose. Now it is given that B transpose is equal to B and A transpose equal to A and A transpose equal to A and B. Taking minus common, so it will be equal to AB minus BA. So because AB minus BA transpose equal to minus of AB minus BA, so by property we can say that AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. Therefore, AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. Is a skew symmetric matrix. Because AB minus BA transpose equal to minus of AB minus BA, that's why we can say AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. Next problem. Now prove that the matrix B transpose AB is a symmetric or skew symmetric according as A is symmetric or skew symmetric. Now we have to prove that B dash AB is a symmetric or skew symmetric according as A is symmetric or skew symmetric. Now case 1. Suppose we take A is symmetric. If A is symmetric, then A equal to A transpose. If A is a symmetric matrix, then A equal to A transpose. So B dash A B transpose, or we can say, so this will be equal to AB transpose into B transpose transpose by the property of AB transpose equal to B transpose A transpose. So we have considered AB as a single unit. So B transpose and AB. So this will be equal to AB transpose B transpose transpose. Because AB transpose equal to B transpose A transpose. Now what is AB transpose? B transpose A transpose and B transpose is transpose of B transpose is B. Now A is a symmetric matrix, so we can write B transpose AB. So B transpose AB transpose is equal to B transpose AB. So it is a, therefore B transpose AB, B transpose AB is a symmetric matrix. Is a symmetric. Now case second. When A is skew symmetric matrix. A is skew symmetric matrix. It means A transpose equal to minus A. Now B dash AB transpose. So this will be equal to, again by the property AB transpose B transpose transpose. So this is equal to B transpose A transpose and B. Now A transpose is equal to minus A. So this is equal to minus of B transpose AB. So it is a, therefore B transpose AB is a skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric. Now next problem. Express the matrix. Express the matrix A equal to 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 3 4 and 1 minus 2 minus 3 as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. As the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Now express the matrix A equal to is the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. We have to prove that it is the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Now let P equal to half of A plus A transpose. Now Q is equal to half of A minus A transpose. So P equal to half A plus A transpose. Now A equal to 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 3 4 1 minus 2 minus 3. Now A transpose equal to 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 3 4 1 minus 2 minus 3. Now A plus A transpose. So this is equal to 4 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 6 2 minus 3 2 minus 6. So P equal to half of 4 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 6 2 minus 3 2 minus 6. Now P transpose half 4 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 6 2, so minus 3 2 minus 6, now which is equal to P. Therefore P equal to half of A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. Is a symmetric matrix. Now Q equal to half A minus A transpose. Now A minus A transpose equal to 0 minus 1 minus 5 1 0 6 5 minus 6 0. So therefore Q equal to half of A minus A transpose. So Q transpose equal to half 0 minus 1 minus 5 1 0 6 5 minus 6 0. So this is equal to minus Q. So therefore Q is a skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Now P plus Q. Now P is symmetric matrix and Q is skew symmetric matrix. So P is equal to half 4 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 6 2 minus 3 2 minus 6 plus half Q 0 minus 1 minus 5 1 0 6 and 5 minus 6 0. So this is equal to half common. So 4 minus 4 minus 8 minus 2 6 8 2 minus 4 and minus 6. Now this is equal to 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 3 4 1 minus 2 minus 3. Now this is equal to A. So every square matrix, therefore every square matrix can be expressed, every square matrix can be expressed as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix.